Hello all. In this video, I'll explain how to run a runnable jar in a simple way without using command prompt. So that is what the goal. Launch a runnable jar file by double clicking a batch file in Windows. So we'll be creating a jar file and we'll be creating a batch file and we'll just click on the batch file so that it will execute the runnable jar file. So this is the project, a simple project where so it will launch Orange HRM application and it will provide username and password and click on login button. So let me run it for you before I create a jar file. So it will just ask username and password and it will launch the application. It will launch the application and you can see the login uh, activity here. Yeah, this is done. So this is what the project. I'll just convert this project into a executable jar so that you can simply run that executable jar without using Eclipse or without using command prompt. So for this, you have to click on this project and give right click, run as Maven build. Here you have to give goals. So I just want to uh, clean up the target folder where all distributable files are previously generated. I'll just clean and package. So this package command will generate the runnable jar file, right? I'll run it. So this is what the process, how to create a runnable jar file out of your project. So it is bundling all the dependencies and the source code. Finally, it should be successful. Yeah, build is successful. Now you can go to, usually this jar file is created under target folder. This is what the path where this jar file has been generated. I'll just go to this path, right click, show in System Explorer. So this is what the project, this is what the target folder where this file has been generated. This is the jar file. I'll just copy this jar file and I'll create a new folder on my desktop. In this folder, I'll just place this runnable jar. Yeah, this is the jar. So if at all you want to run this jar using command prompt, I'll just use cmd and I'll just copy the jar name and I'll just give a command java hyphen jar and the file name dot jar. So let me try running this. Yes, it is running. I'm just giving username and password. So this is the second way. I mean, the other way, instead of running it from Eclipse, you can also run this from command prompt. So this is working fine. And the other way is, so you can just create a batch file so that every time you need not to open the command prompt and you need not to give any command over there. You can just click on a batch file so that it will run the runnable jar file. Now I'm going to create a batch file. So this is another way how we can simplify the running of jar file without command prompt. Now, so I'll just open Notepad. So this is where I'll be giving some commands. So here the first command is echo off. So as we discussed, echo off, this will make sure that whatever commands are there, that will not be displayed in the during execution. So the command prompt window will display only output. So here you can just give whatever command that we have used to execute runnable jar, that is java hyphen jar, and you can just place the jar file name dot jar. So you can put it in a double quote and you can give third statement pause. So this pause, what it does is, so during once execution is complete, it will keep the command prompt open so that you can check the results and you can review the results. If you don't give pause, once execution is complete, it will automatically close that window. I'll just save it. So I'm placing this into same folder which we have created where our jar file is existing. So I'll just name it as runjar dot bat, and you have to select all files and save it. Then let me go to runjar and I'll just double click on this. See, this is opening the application, and same thing, whatever we have done using Eclipse, whatever we have done using command prompt, same thing is happening when you click on the batch file. So I'll just give the username and password. So it is also performing same action. So you can see the command prompt. You can see the command prompt here. See all the details it is showing, right? So what is the username, password, and what exactly it is doing, launching Chrome browser, and everything it is giving. So this way you can simply execute your jar file using a batch file. So you can just place this anywhere. You can create a shortcut. You can create a shortcut for this like this desktop shortcut. So you can, here desktop shortcut has been created. You can just double click on this. So whenever you want